Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to easily withdraw money from crypto.com Fiat Wallet to your bank account. For that, you need to first of all launch your crypto.com application and then tap on the accounts tab in the bottom. After that, among the given options, you simply need to select the Fiat Wallet option and then tap on sell crypto. Then you need to select the cryptocurrency that you want to convert to fiat. After that, you need to select the cash option. On the sell cryptocurrency screen, you can enter the amount that you wish to convert. Then you will see a confirmation window showing the actual current value of the coin in fiat money for 15 seconds. Please pay attention to that window as it shows the amount of fiat money you are getting for the coin at that time. Now is the time to withdraw your money into your bank account. So in the crypto.com application home screen, you need to tap on the home button, then fiat wallet, or tap on accounts tab and then fiat wallet. Then you need to tap on the transfer button and select the withdraw option. After that, you need to select the currency as CAD or AUD, GBP, EUR, or any other currencies that you see. Then you need to browse through the withdrawal process and then tap on the withdraw now option. You need to choose your withdrawal email. You need to note that at least one successful deposit is required before being able to withdraw CAD. Then you need to insert your withdrawal amount, review and confirm the withdrawal request. You need to wait for our internal review and we will notify you once the withdrawal is processed. You need to make sure that the 2FA is enabled. If it is not enabled, then it not be requested for the withdrawal in the fiat. So if you have 2FA enabled, a 2FA process needed to be completed when you attempt to initiate a withdrawal. So these are some of the instructions that you need to follow in order to initiate the withdrawal request on crypto.com. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.